Okay, in this video we are going to show you how we assemble this end riser. This goes at the end of the aquifer pipe. The purpose of this is, if you notice, there's an elbow and then there's the actual riser part of it. And the purpose of it is that when the aquifer pipe gets filled up with water, this becomes like a reservoir, if you will. The water goes up the 90 and into that riser area. And this is to give the soil time to absorb the water, to wick it up. So as the soil starts wicking it up, as it starts absorbing it, the water will just go down into the aquifer pipe. Now we build this in two phases. The first phase is with the riser off. This top portion here, we do not put it on. And the reason is, if we put that riser on there, the aquifer pipe becomes top heavy. But once the aquifer pipe is level and tucked in and it's all ready to be buried, then we put that riser on there. So I like to point out the different parts right now. So right here is the expander. Now the expander does exactly what it says. It expands the aquifer pipe and pushes it against the 90. The aquifer pipe has a tendency to bow in. So we use the expander to push it up against the 90 when we're gluing it. The other purpose for the expander is to keep the dirt out. Notice how there's dirt right here? Well, it keeps it out of the system. Now this 90 is a standard 3-inch 90 that you could buy from Lowe's. This riser right here was a 10-foot 3-inch pipe, and we cut it down to 6 inches. And this white cap, you just buy it directly from Lowe's. Now this white cap, you do not glue. We use it in case if we ever need to go inside and clean out the aquifer pipe. But we've had these installed already for 4 years, and we went back to check some of the aquifer pipes, and there was almost little to no sediment inside there. But we go ahead and put this white cap on there and do not glue it, just as a convenient clean out. All right, now we're going to go through step by step on how to assemble this end riser. Okay, here are the parts that you're going to need. This right here is a 3-inch 90. This right here is a 6-inch 3-inch pipe that was cut from a 10-foot 3-inch pipe. It was just cut to size. This right here is what they call a test cap. This right here is the expander. You purchase this at the same time when you purchase the aquifer pipe. Now all these parts can be purchased from Lowe's, and you could get links to it from our website. Just go to our website, greywatergreen.com, go to the shop tab, click on products, and there you're going to find all the links to all these products. You can buy them from Lowe's, you can order them online, and then just drive up and they'll have them right there at the front door for you. Okay, now we're going to glue everything together. So the first thing you want to glue is the outside of the aquifer pipe. Do not glue inside the channel. Very important. Do not glue inside the channel, only the outside. Next, you're going to glue the bottom of the 90, only the bottom. You do it like a half moon. Do not glue all the way around in a circle, only the half moon. Now you join them both together, flip it over, and then you insert the expander. Now the expander is going to push the walls of the aquifer pipe to the 90, so that's a real tight fit. Now it's very important to do not get any glue on that expander. That expander is styrofoam. It will melt. So that's why we do not put any glue inside the channel. We do not put any glue on the top of the 90, because that styrofoam will melt. Okay, I want to show you from a different angle. So first, put glue on the 90. Again, you're only doing a half moon. You're not doing the whole circle, only a half moon. Then do the bottom of the aquifer pipe. Do not do the channel. Put them both together and then insert the expander. The expander is going to push the walls of the aquifer pipe up against the walls of the 90. Now you can place aquifer pipe into the trench. If you notice, there is the other part of the riser. You'll glue this on once all the aquifer pipes are all glued together and after the water level procedure is done and all the aquifer pipes have been tucked in with dirt. Then you'll glue this section on. All right, I hope this helps you understand how to make the end riser and get this portion all connected together. The next step is connecting two aquifer pipes together. We'll see you at the next video.